Hi guys and welcome to another video on the Edible channel. Now up there we have some special visitors. Basically up here we've got some doves.
Try and guess which dove they are. I'll give you a moment to guess.
It's a bit hard to see them, but we have got a dove in that nest right now. You might not be able to see it, but there is a nest right there.
Can you zoom in on
Yeah.
the camera?
So look at that.
And this is your moment. Okay, I'll tell you what it is. If you guess the collared dove, then you're correct.
A collared dove. So basically they're up there right now, and we think they have laid some eggs because the mother is guarding the nest. Or actually it's the father at the moment, we've read, haven't we? The father does it in the day and the mother does it in the night. William thinks he's found something.
It's just this ball. I thought it was an egg.
He thought it was an egg that had fallen down, turned out it's just a ball. We haven't done a video like this, but we feel like maybe you guys like them? Maybe, can you see it up there? That's the nest right there.
Yeah.
If we move a little bit this way, you might be able to see the dove.
That's Bingo.
I think this is the best angle to get it at. Can you see it over there?
I named him Bingo.
William's saying he named it Bingo, if you can't hear him from over there. Now, she's guarding her nest very ferociously, so we think...
I also got the girl, and I named the girl Scarlet.
Yeah, William's named the girl Scarlet, and apparently they laid 2 eggs. 2 eggs.
Look,
So,
a doggy.
yeah, this is Benji.
Did you
Anyway, they lay 2 eggs, and they can take from 14 to 18 days to hatch. So we think they've got eggs.
And I want to tell you something that's really exciting. In 5 days is my birthday.
Yeah, in
We've
5
already
days
got
it's
stuff
William's
set
birthday.
up.
Now, we hope you're having fun in quarantine, obviously, but we are having great fun in quarantine over here
Yeah.
at our house. So, back to the collared doves, though. The collared doves apparently
We've got
we
more
don't know. We don't know when they'll hatch. We've tried to stay away from them a bit and not make too many loud noises because they might run away.
Yeah, and abandon their babies.
Hopefully they don't do that if we do make too much loud noise.
Well, our dog keeps on making holes in the ground. I made
Yeah,
a hole in the
basically
ground.
our garden isn't very good looking at the moment.
This is my hole that I
Benji's
made.
dug loads of
This is my hole
holes.
that I made. I made that hole.
See, William made
made
a
that
hole to sort of not deep. Benji's made all of these holes. It's easy to trip up in this hole right here where there's absolutely nothing, but
And look, I didn't dig that hole.
yeah, Benji did. But Benji's a cute dog.
But look at all of these plants growing out of here. Benji used to have his swimming pool there.
Our swimming pool. We used to have our swimming pool there.
No, Benji's little paddling pool.
That was ours.
That was my bed.
Yeah, that was ours.
It wasn't, it got really muddy with Benji.
At one point in time, Benji did go in, I think. Our garden's great for playing in, though. Might not look the best, but it's great. It's brilliant.
Yeah, you can like just run around. It's good for parkour, just saying.
Yeah,
Run
parkour.
around trying.
He's a bit too fast for me.
That's the hole that Benji made. And it's good at navigating. Because of the wind flies
Yes.
by.
William's learnt that, the wind. So we're doing homeschooling, obviously, in these days. So William has learnt out of school, actually, that when you drop dirt or sand, it comes down and then it blows the way the wind is. And if you know which way the wind's blowing, then if you know that the wind's going to be probably blowing towards one direction, then you can easily get out of maybe a desert. You never know.
That'll be an abandoned desert, or like that dirt room you were talking about, and the wind was blowing south, you said, and the way to get out was to pick up the dirt. Drop all of the dirt. Oh my
So
God,
this is our garden.
look.
It might not look good, like I said, but it's amazing. Oh, Benji's playing with a stone. I don't know what's going on here, but he seems to be in his attack pose, ready to pounce, or he just pounced.
Attack pose.
Okay, William, you're being a bit hyperreactive. Anyway,
The sun normally
we've been doing maths and English and poems and...
The sun normally shines near our garden. Come over here, come over here. We've got sunflowers over here. Mine is here, summer. Oh, look at summer. Look at summer,
So
guys.
William's plant is
Summer.
here, as you can see that big
That's
sprout,
right.
that's a sunflower.
Yeah.
And
another one's
this is Danielle's, that's her sunflower.
that's Eddie's.
This is Mummy's. Unfortunately, she hasn't got one. She used to have a weed growing, but that's died out now. And this is mine. It's not
Mine
really
is
that
doing
interesting.
really good.
But
Danielle's also got a big sprout coming up.
we've all got big struts.
And
These are the
sweet
sweets we've got
for my birthday.
Will's birthday, apparently. I don't know. Maybe.
My birthday. In 5 days.
Okay.
I love doing that.
Whoa. We've got a table here. We can sit out, and this is what I normally see around. Normally William digging up holes for some reason, and then you look over here, you see normally a beanbag or a blanket, and then look down there, bin.
My next hole is
More
just
stuff.
dark.
His next hole's just been dug. Yeah.
You're getting up to very solid hard stones to dig.
Yep.
Then you must be taking all of the easy stones to dig. I just started on this new one.
I think this is where our video is going to end. So,
Bye guys.
and it's a bye from me as well. Bye, guys.